Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Hartman. While we're doing online learning, I've been living with my parents in the United States. My father thought it would be fun to do some science experiments and demonstrations with things we can find around the house and share them with you. We're calling this kitchen science. I hope you enjoy these videos.
Hi boys and girls, this is Ms. Hartman's father. I was thinking that it would be fun to do some science today. First things first, always be safe. Do not try any experiments without having an adult there with you to make sure that you are safe. Science always begins with what I call the I wonder. That's a question that we're thinking about that we'd like to answer. I wonder what? I wonder if it's an I wonder, a question I would like to know the answer to. Now today I'm starting with this question. I wonder. Today I'm wondering, do all liquids mix together in the same way? If I take different liquids and I mix them together, I wonder if they'll all just blend together the same way. I wonder. Now, when we're trying to answer our I wonder question, we always start with a good guess. We guess what the answer is going to be. Scientists have a fancy word for that guess. They call it a hypothesis. So we're going to make a good guess, a hypothesis about, do all liquids mix together the same way? So, my question is, do all liquids mix together in the same way? My good guess, my hypothesis is going to be yes. I think all liquids will mix together in the same way. Now remember, safety first. Do not try any experiments without having an adult there to help you to make sure you are safe. Okay, boys and girls, now comes the fun part, testing our hypothesis. We're going to find out if our good guess is correct by careful testing. In science, that testing is called an experiment. Our experiment, we're going to test our guess by mixing combinations of 6 different liquids: syrup, cooking oil, water, food coloring, alcohol, and dishwashing soap. Now remember, our hypothesis is that they are all going to blend and mix together, and we're going to find out if that's true. Okay, boys and girls, when you're going to do an experiment, it's important to set up your space so you can be safe and keep things clean. So we've covered our table in plastic, and we have some paper towels in case we have a spill. Our first experiment is going to be mixing water and food coloring. Let's try some red food coloring. Okay. Is it going to mix? Yep. The red food coloring and water are 2 liquids, and they mixed. Let's try some alcohol and some food coloring. This time we'll do yellow food coloring. Is that gonna mix? I wonder. Oh yes, it needed a little help, but alcohol and food coloring mix and water and food coloring mix. I wonder if the 2 of those will mix. So here's our yellow alcohol, and here is our red water. And are they mixing? It looks to me like we have orange mixture. So far, so good. I think we're right. I think our hypothesis that all liquids will mix is a good hypothesis. Let's try a different one. We're going to try oil. And let's use our red water and see if water and alcohol mix. Uh-oh. That doesn't look like it's mixing. Let me see. That'll take care of it. That'll make it mix, won't it? Uh-oh. You see that? It's not mixing. The alcohol and the water do not want to mix together. They're forming layers. Ooh, I think our hypothesis is in trouble. Okay, how about let's try some syrup and some dishwashing fluid. That's a couple of different kinds of things. Ooh, doesn't look like they want to blend. Doesn't look like it. I see two layers. Dishwashing liquid on top of syrup. Well, we had our good guess about all liquids mixing together, but they don't. Wow, great news! How exciting! I was wrong. Some liquids mix together, but some don't. Wait a minute. Why is Mr. Hartman celebrating? He was wrong. Don't you want to be right? In science, success isn't about getting it right. Success is about learning something. Today we learned that some liquids mix together and some don't. Hooray! We can give ourselves a pat on the back.